All right, hello, paint sniffers, glue huffers, and other sort of associated plasticatos. So, in my series of great flying aces, I've got one who was just referred to as a flying ace. He was known to chase after the Red Baron, and his Sopwith camel sure looks a lot like a doghouse. Yep, if you look there, you can kind of tell that's Snoopy. There are plenty of YouTube channels with excellent modelers with excellent production skills. This is not one of them. Welcome to Cable's Creations, a video channel on modeling for the rest of us. I'm gonna fix up a 3D print of Snoopy flying his doghouse around. Uh, Needed something to just be kind of simple while I work away on a couple other projects. So, and actually, uh, no plastic in this one, so plasticatos, you might want to look at something else. This is gonna be resin renegades, I guess. Okay, I've got some preliminary priming done. It's priming and sanding on the doghouse, and Snoopy. There's his scarf. Keep that where you can see it. And then just a tiny amount of priming on Woodstock. I think he's ready to get some pink primer before getting painted yellow. But I'll wait until doghouse is ready for pink primer, because pink primer or an undercoat of pink will really make both red and yellow just really pop. And then Snoopy, you can get another coat of primer and make sure we get all the defects out, and then start getting white, and then start or an overall white, and then start painting the details. And I got some progress done on the flying ace. So I got Snoopy assembled, and even into the base white, and that's gonna need some sanding. At one point it fell off of this, when I was painting, it fell off of the stick and hit my hand. It's I quickly reshot things, but yeah, gonna need to sand some areas out. Woodstock and the doghouse both into pink primer, and I'm going to look these over and make sure that they don't need anything to sand, and get these into red and yellow respectively. For those that don't know, both red and yellow turn out much better if you've got a pink primer underneath them. Well, Snoopy is almost done, but I got his scarf and goggles and the cap painted. Along the way, tried to do some touch ups. Did great touch up on the cap, and even kind of around his goggles. But the white didn't really work out that well, so I'm going to have to do touch ups of the touch ups. And after that, get some panel liner around his smile, and then I will finally be done with Snoopy and can get him glued into the doghouse slash Sopwith camel. All right, here's the finished product. We got Snoopy Woodstock in back. After I put the black on the lenses of his goggles, put some 3D, or I mean UV resin over the top, and put it under UV light to finish it, and got it done. And well, basically done. You know, looking at it, I think putting some panel liner in between those boards might just make it pop just a little bit more. Okay, you know, so here it is, basically finished except for that. All right, so finally finished. Like I mentioned, did get the panel liner in, and that led to some touch-ups of the red. Actually shows up more on this camera than it does to the naked eye. Here we go. Flying Ace Snoopy. And this time it's really done. So that's basically the Snoopy flying doghouse run. Hope you enjoyed that quick little project. Actually took me a lot longer than I thought it would, as usual. So until next time, showing you mine to hopefully make you feel better about yours.